Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and today I'm giving an up-close and personal look at the Autumn Splendor collection by Simple Stories. Now, for this collection, I purchased the 12 by 12 collection pack, the chipboard stickers, the 6x8 paper pad, and the bits and pieces. Now, I absolutely love Simple Stories. It's one of my very favorite companies. I love their quality and their paper. The designs are always so beautiful. So I'm excited to have a look at this. I did go ahead and take the cellophane wrap off of this collection so that I didn't have that interfering. But it is 12 by 12. It has 72 pieces, which includes, you know, the 12 by 12 paper, some cut apart sheets, and the sticker sheet. So it's pretty good value. They do have a bigger size collection pack, but that includes washi tape and stuff like that, but I went with this one. This first page has a nice autumnal wreath going here. We've got, you know, sunflowers and different autumn flowers, very pretty. And then on the back is a gorgeous kind of red based, I would say, flowers and butterflies. It's just really pretty. And this one here is like a barn door with the pumpkins, and it says farm and garden seeds. This would be perfect for a layout, I think. On the back is one of my very favorite. I saw it on the front cover here, and I'm like, okay, this is going to be my favorite sheet until maybe I find another favorite sheet. But I love this paper, and I think it would be absolutely beautiful on a project. This next sheet is kind of like, it looks like a, I would say it looks like a green wood on the back, but there is some wording in the background, and it's all leaves from the fall in different shapes. And then on the back is more of a, I would say it's more of a sketchy watercolor type of leaf collage, and there is some script and stuff on the back as well. This next page is very, I would say it's scientific. It's called Grateful Hearts, but you know, that's how they named their page. And then there's like, you know, library, or not library, but dictionary definitions here on some of the things for autumn. And then, you know, just like a breakdown of some of the leaves and the components and things. That's really cute. And then on the back is just a red on red leaf design. This page I think is absolutely beautiful, and it's either going to rank with my favorite or my second favorite, but I love this sketchy pumpkin. It looks like it's sketched out and then with a watercolor wash and finish. It is just absolutely lovely. And then the back of this one has an orange and green kind of autumn plaid. The next page is an apple and leaf design, and the apples are cut and uncut, and then some of them are cut in half, you know, like vertically, and some of them are cut horizontally, so you can kind of see that star shape in the middle there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up for you because that's really cute. And then the back is very Tim Holtzy-ish, and it's got that, you know, just a natural looking design there. Here we have another flower and butterfly design with, you can see some word print in the back, and an orange Swiss dot on the back. Another barn type background with a picture collage here. This is really cute. I could see, you could even cut this out if you were doing like a mini book or something with pages that were not the same size, you know, maybe like a junk journal or something like that. You could cut that out and it could literally be a page but have some different dimension there. And then the back of this sheet is orange with yellow sunflowers and little bees. Now we come to the cut aparts. So this is the 2 by 2 cut apart sheet. Very nice. These are great. All the cut apart sheets are great for little tuck spots in mini albums or for card making. Just absolutely. They, you know, just having this little phrasing in different places is great. Pumpkin spice, fall leaves, begin with gratitude, be the sunshine. I love this. And then on the back is like a green Swiss dot. Now, I did get some of this. I did buy a kit with some of this, some of these items in it, and the kit was created by Ginger from my sister's Scrapper. I took a couple of classes with her a couple weekends ago, and then she did a book with a kit, and I purchased the kit because I couldn't make it to all 4 classes, and this was one of the classes I couldn't attend, but I just love the paper, and then I went and bought the paper also, so I can't get enough. But anyway, here are the 3x4 journaling cards. We've got some nice, beautiful flowers here. It is so pretty. It reminds me of those seed packets you get when you're planting a garden. This is fresh picked with the white pumpkin. I love white pumpkins. I don't know why. That's cute there, farm fresh pumpkins. And the back of this is just a green on green plaid. Next, we have the 4x4 journaling cards, and these say fall into autumn, amazing autumn days, pumpkin patch time. That is really cute, especially for this time of year. Here's one of those dictionary type definitions there. Crisp autumn days, and then the back has a different leaf pattern, which is really cute. I love all the different colors, and I like those little things that you see flying off your trees all the time. Love that. 4x4 sheets, pumpkin kisses, and harvest wishes. That one, I like that a lot. I like these for if you're making like a quick card, or into like if you can fold it into a little mini book inside a mini book, like a little pamphlet. And then the back of this is a nice orange and brown plaid. Very pretty. I love this collection. It is really, really nice. And then for the sticker sheet, we have lots and lots of stuff. This is one of my favorites here, is the word splendor. You know, like kind of like a crackly print there, but it's in all different patterns. I love that. And then this one down here that says harvest, these letters, these are really cute too. And I was thinking that they were cut apart, but it is all one word. So then we have a little bingo with patch. That's cute. These are really cute. These are little tabs. It looks like you can fold them over and make a tab. There's lots of little labels: Grateful Heart, Pumpkin Time, Hello Fall. And I really appreciate the fact that there are no long borders, because as a card maker, I don't really use the long borders very often unless I cut them or trim them, blah, blah, blah. But I think they do have a separate page now that they're doing for borders. Simple Stories is. So I love the little tags here. This is very, very nice, and can't wait to use that. Next, we have the chipboard stickers. I'm really surprised I purchased the chipboard stickers, to be honest, because they're not my favorite thing to use. I find that I find that sometimes the stickiness is not sticky enough, and so they don't stay on my projects as well. So that's why, but I couldn't resist anyway. And then I love this pumpkin here. It's so cute. Fresh picked, fall fun. There's another one of those white pumpkins, and then the sunflower is really pretty. And then here's some more of those, like, I don't know, they almost look like bones, but I know they're not because this is an autumn collection, but it says autumn here. And these look like they are actual individual letters. So that is the chipboard stickers. Next, let's look at the 6x8 paper pad. And for Simple Stories specifically, I like their 6x8 paper pad. And the reason why is because a lot of the papers look like this, where you could actually literally take it out and put it into a frame. These are 6x8, so you could trim it into a 5x7 very nicely. This one says, "I'm so glad to live in a world where there are Octobers." That's a quote by Anne of Green Gables from that book. This is the Sketchy Pumpkin, another one of my very favorites. Then we have, just smaller designs from the paper collection. And then, interspersed again are some of these quotes that you literally can frame. "A fallen leaf is nothing more than summer waving goodbye." I'm thinking that for the my December daily book, I'm going to use some of the 6x8 pages from Simple Stories, and try to use that for some of my December dailies, because this would be so cute in one like that if it was Christmas. Some pumpkins, my favorite. It's the watercolor. More collections, you know, from more pages from the collection. Gather with Grateful Hearts. That's like this signature page, the first one we looked at from the larger package. And then we get into some cut-aparts. Very cute. Hello, Sweet Autumn. It's just kind of like a variation on some of the larger pieces, which is nice. It's not just all rubber stamped the same thing. So that was 6x8 paper pad, one of my favorites. And then I'm just gonna quickly run through all of the bits and pieces in this collection. This is ephemera. I love ephemera anyway because it's, you know, I love backing it on like paper black or brown or cream, you know, more of a neutral color, and then using them even after I'm done with the collection. I make other things with the ephemera that's left over. So it's just some cute little tickets and tags and more leaves, colors, words. That's sketchy leaves, more tickets. Hello Harvest. This sketchy leaf, isn't that pretty? This is fall, I love that. Little collage there. Big sunflower, that's cute. At the Patch, that's one of my favorites. Anything that refers to the pumpkin patch I think is really cute. Fall Harvest, more sketchy leaves, a little full days. That's cute. Harvest Time fell down there. Fall colors, little circles. Remember October, crisp, cool days. Another ticket. Little white pumpkin round ephemera piece there. This says Autumn Glory. Cute. Some acorns with a ticket. I love that. Treasure This Moment. Love this. It's cute. Autumn, another ticket, kind of like a receipt tag. Hello. Loving these autumnal glorious days. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Fantastic pumpkin time. I like using these for tabs. Like if I do pullouts from a mini book, these are great for tabs. I just usually back them on cardstock and then attach them to the page. Another little white pumpkin, fall fun, little leaf. One of my favorite pieces, the fall checklist. If you're doing an October daily, oh yeah, that would have been good in October daily, those 6x8. Fall checklist, great in an October daily page. Tickets, pumpkin spice, and then the last one is a little, looks like a little tag with some leaves and ribbon. So anyway, this is everything I purchased from Simple Stories for their Autumn Splendor collection. And I have no trouble hoarding anything of Simple Stories if I don't use it all. So I'll be back at some point with a mini book or some project that I've made out of this collection. And I'm kind of behind on some of my projects. I don't know exactly when that will be, but it will be forthcoming. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. And if you're not a subscriber, please click the subscribe box below or the button below and, you know, like this video if you like it as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.